Every small business reaches that moment. 15 active clients, 8 prospects, 3 overdue invoices, and one big question. What did I promise by Friday? That's the breaking point where client management software becomes your safety net. Hence, in this video, we've reviewed 9 client management software for small businesses. Tools that real teams actually use to manage leads, automate follow-ups, and deliver projects on time. Number 1. Agency Handy. Agency Handy is the best client management software for small business owners who want everything in one place. It combines CRM, client portals, project management, and payments in a single connected system. You can capture leads through forms on your website, manage them visually through a Kanban board, and convert them into clients with one click. Your clients get their own branded portal where they can see progress, upload files, and make payments, while you see the full picture from one dashboard. No complicated setup, no steep learning curve, just a clean, all-in-one tool that helps you focus on delivering great work, not managing software. Number 2. Zoho CRM. If you prefer a more traditional CRM for small business operations with deep customization, Zoho CRM is worth exploring. Zoho CRM has been around for years, and it shows in how refined it's become. It offers lead management, deal tracking, and full sales automation. You can customize every field, build workflows, and even get AI insights through Zoho's built-in assistant, Zia. It's a powerful CRM for small business owners who like structure and control. The learning curve is real, but once you set it up, it's solid and scalable. Number 3. HubSpot CRM. Now, if you're just starting out and need something intuitive and free to begin with, HubSpot CRM is your friend. HubSpot CRM is one of the best free CRMs for startups and small teams. It's clean, visual, and incredibly easy to use. You can track deals, connect your email, schedule meetings, and even log every conversation automatically. It's perfect when you're starting small and want a cheap CRM for small business that still feels professional. Just keep in mind that advanced features, like marketing automation or custom reports, require a paid upgrade later. Number 4. Bonsai. Bonsai combines everything a freelancer or creative service provider needs: proposals, contracts, invoices, and project tracking. You can send a proposal, get it signed, and generate an invoice instantly. Clients can log into their own portal to see updates, share feedback, and pay you directly. It's not built for managing hundreds of leads. It's built for people managing 10 to 50 clients who want less admin and more doing. Number 5. Honeybook. If you're in the creative field but want stronger automation and brand consistency, Honeybook has you covered. Honeybook is made for creative entrepreneurs, photographers, designers, event planners, and coaches. It automates your entire workflow. When a lead comes in, the system sends a welcome email, generates a contract, and even triggers invoices automatically. Everything your clients see, from proposals to payments, looks beautifully branded. It's your business, just more polished and professional. Number 6. Dubsado. If you love customization and want full control over how your system runs, Dubsado is a great choice. Dubsado gives you ultimate flexibility. You can design every workflow, from lead capture to payment, exactly the way you want it. It's perfect for service-based businesses that want automation without giving up control. Setup takes time, but once it's configured, Dubsado runs your operations almost hands-free. It's one of the most powerful yet affordable tools for small business management software. Number 7. Monday CRM. Monday CRM brings color and clarity to your workflow. Your pipeline looks like a visual board. You can drag deals across stages, assign team members, and automate tasks. You can even manage projects after closing deals, making it more than just a CRM. It's intuitive, fast, and perfect for visual thinkers or teams that love collaboration. Number 8. Pipedrive. If your business is laser-focused on sales pipelines and follow-ups, Pipedrive simplifies it beautifully. Pipedrive keeps things straightforward. It's designed for sales-focused businesses that live and breathe pipelines. You can see every deal, what stage it's in, and what comes next, with built-in reminders so nothing slips through. It's simple, effective, and built purely to help you close deals faster. Number 9. Zendesk Sell. For teams already using Zendesk for support and seeking an integrated CRM, Zendesk Sell is a smart move. Zendesk Sell focuses on keeping client communication clear and organized. You can track leads, log interactions, and view every deal visually. If you're already using Zendesk support, Sell connects right in, giving your sales and service teams one shared client view. It's simple, streamlined, and ideal for teams that want a CRM that just works. Now that you've seen the tools, how do you choose? All these tools have their strengths, but if you want one platform that brings it all together, Agency Handy does exactly that. It's not just a CRM for small businesses, it's a complete client management workspace. Here's what you can do inside. Capture leads through public forms on your site. Manage them visually in your pipeline. Send proposals, get approvals, and convert deals instantly. Track projects with Kanban boards and assign tasks easily. Give clients a portal where they can upload files, view progress, and make payments. Handle invoices, subscriptions, and recurring payments automatically. And with pricing starting at just $19 per month, it's one of the most affordable all-in-one CRMs for small business growth. If you're ready to simplify how you run your business, start your free 7-day trial of Agency Handy today.